Hey guys, I needed to remove the overhead console to see if I can get onto power with ignition only, and was looking for YouTube, couldn't find anything about how to get this out. So really simple operation. Notice this plunger here that pulls back these two locks, so keep that in mind. I'm going to pop it back in, so that's the console fitted back up. You take some type of plastic spanner, just go in between the two and push it in, and it just pops out. So there you go, just go in far enough and it just pops out. The whole console drops down. It actually slides a little bit along, so it's got some hinges and stuff in the back there, and then to put it back in, you just make sure she's sitting in the right spot there and pop it back up, and that's it. So it's a real simple job to get access to your center console. Alrighty, thanks, bye.